Don't kill us.
Uncle.
Insanity!
Text the word to 248-544-1051 for your chance to score tickets to the Takeover 2 concert featuring Scarface, Juvenile, the Yin Yang Twins, and more.
Matt Stafford better win.
Good luck from 105.
Putting up with all this bullshit.
He's much warmer weather now.
Wow. There's got to be a white car in front of me, right? A white car.
We're actually in a city. You cannot tell, but we are in a city.
This is not the country.
Oh, there's some buildings you might be able to see now. Oh, see, there's a red light up there. Sorta. It's coming fast.
Oh.
What's an Ninjato?
I wonder if we can get home.
That is where the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles took their ninja classes. So they could become ninjas.
You can't turn into ninjas.
Not from a chemical spill. That just made them into people turtles. Not ninjas.
Oh, baby.
I
I see.
Okay.